It's Lindsay. I'm the creative coordinator here at Bisque Imports, and today we're going to be creating this awesome Molten Magma Vase. So this is going to be painted on the amazing Amy Williams Ripple Vase. Amy, y'all. And here are the supplies that you're going to need to create this project. So you're going to need the Ripple Vase, dandelion, orange appeal, candy apple red, ruby slippers, black cobblestone, a cobalt fan brush number 4, and a cobalt essential fan brush number 8. Using your essential fan brush number 8, paint 2 to 3 coats of dandelion inside of the vase. Next, using your fan brush number 4, paint a ring of dandelion around the top of the vase. Next, paint a ring of orange appeal underneath the dandelion and blend them into an ombre gradient. An ombre gradient is when you start with a lighter color and blend it into a darker color on the bottom, so it kind of has a faded look from light to dark. Below the orange appeal, add a ring of candy apple red and blend that into the orange. Finally, paint a ring of ruby slippers around the base and blend that into the candy apple red. Be sure to paint 2 to 3 coats of all of these colors, blending them with your fan brush to create an ombre effect. Then let your glaze dry completely. Next, paint the very bottom of the vase with 2 to 3 coats of ruby slippers. Next, using your essential fan brush number 8, paint 2 to 3 coats of black cobblestone all over the outside of the vase. If you are heavier handed with coats like I am, I would recommend to only paint 2 coats of the black cobblestone. Let it dry. No clear glaze is required. Fire to cone 06 and enjoy this flamin' hot molten magma vase. Alright guys, so that's how you turn this into that. Don't forget to check out BisqueImports.com for a bunch of amazing products, and I hope you guys had a wonderful time painting this flamin' hot vase.